How much a pip are you trading at? Stay tuned, traders. We'll be right back. G'day traders, Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. Just at the hockey stadium with my oldest son. Saturday morning in Perth. Absolutely monster week in the markets for movement. Hopefully everybody got a little piece of the action. My son is starting to learn little bits about the market, and you know, one of the questions he always asks is how much a pip were you trading at today? And I really try to emphasize to him, which is hard sometimes because he likes to know the dollars and cents. I'm explaining to him that the better question for him to ask is how much was your risk on return, or your return on your risk today or this week. And you know, my emphasis is really so tight on my risk management now. And, you know, it's such a great feeling, like the markets, you know, plenty of opportunities. And just this week was such a reminder that, like, even regardless of how the week starts off or anything else, there's just always opportunities in the markets day in and day out. And, you know, the key though is sticking to your trading plan. You know, even building your playbook, like this week, there was so many perfect trade setups. It's incredible. Like, I just sat there this morning reviewing the week and just was blown away by the amount of opportunities that showed up in the markets on all different time frames. And so, you know, again, really critical that if you're focused on the dollars and cents, then you've lost track of the trading process. And I said to my son as he went out to play this morning, I said, it's like you focusing on what the score of the game is and not being worried about actually going out and executing your skills and your game plan as a team and as an individual. And as soon as you do that, you know, you're losing sight of the bigger picture. And when your mind is off that and it's on other things, that's when mistakes happen. That's when you're not executing your skills, you know, with your trading plan. You know, I started the my daily trade report, which for each day when I have my trades, I've just put it into a one-page sort of summary. It's sort of like my review, my psychology, whatever. What did I learn? What could I have done better? And I'll have a video on that over the weekend. But again, just focused on flawless execution of your skill set. As I said to my son, you could make $5 grand, but if you were risking 20 to make the 5, you know, at some point you're going to blow your trading account up. And so when you're risking, you know, I said to him, you should ask me, what was your return on your risk? If I'm putting 1 hour in every trade, at the end of the week, what was my average return on my risk over the week? And then from there, you know, again, getting runs on the board week in and week out, building as your skills improve, building as your results are there, building confidence through accomplishment, you know, making sure that your edge is there and it's not just luck. Like this week, you know, the movement was just phenomenal. But, you know, if you haven't done so, go to my homepage, get my 7-step daily routine for high performance traders. Get better every single day. The market is going to give you education day after day after day. You know, people will go spend $100,000 to get a university degree and they can't even get a job after. And, you know, it's like you're getting a free education every day, even if you're using micro lots, whatever you're doing, pick one trade setup. Like my playbook is down to 2 trades. That's it. It's that specific. And, you know, I'm okay with that. And it gives me a bit of peace of mind knowing, like, I know what my risk is on the trades. I know that the geometry of the trade setup is, you know, 3, 4, 5 to 1. I know when I'm in the trade, if it's not working right, where I need to see that, where I should be covering my trade. You know, I'm looking at hopefully considering my losses to be a 1-hour profit now. You know, like in terms of I should be able to, they're momentum-based trades, so I should be able to at least get to 1 hour of movement at some point in that trade, even if the trade stalls out and reverses on me. So these are little things that I've learned the hard way. But the reason why, like even doing these videos every day, it reinforces basic things for me. I'm sharing things with you. You know, I love the comments that people email me and send me and the questions. Like, but the biggest thing I can encourage you to do every single day is to just keep getting better. And what I mean by that is, if you're losing, or if you're doing things wrong, or if you're making mistakes, or if you're, you know, breaking your risk management rules, or you're taking haphazard trades, whatever that is, pick one goal, as we talked about previously, for the next 30 days. Maybe it's one trade setup, or maybe it's, you know, having a 1R stop, limiting your losses. What's 1R? Maybe whatever that maximum PIP is for your time frame. Maybe it's 12 pips, you know, whatever. But pick one thing, master it, get better at it. Study the market every day. Spend 15 minutes, screenshot your charts. You know, what do you see? What was there? You know, learn one thing new every day. Listen to other traders. You know, I learned so much from studying Peter Brandt. You know, every day I'm learning something new from somebody. You know, I was going through Chris Capra's site a few weeks ago, and just, again, going over impulsive and corrective wave movements in the market. And you know, just the stuff that shows up over and over again, 3 push patterns, little things. But when you're doing that, you're going to pick up a nugget. Every few days you're going to pick up a nugget. And the light bulb's going to go off. You're going to have an aha moment. And slowly, when you get enough of those aha moments, things start to come together. So hopefully you got some value from today's video, traders. Don't worry about how much a PIP you're trading at. Focus on flawlessly executing your trading plan. Make sure you got positive expectancy. Manage the downside. Stay disciplined. And may the markets go with you.
Hi traders, it's Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. If you haven't done so, please head over to my website at staceyburketrading.com. I create updates on almost a daily basis, and I would love for you to receive them. Just click on the blog. If you want to enter your name and your email address, I'll send you my free audio program, the 7-Step Daily Routine for High Performance Traders. This is essential knowledge for all traders in all markets, and this is for helping traders to master the market with discipline, confidence, and a winning mindset. I appreciate all your feedback and comments. As always, traders, stay disciplined, and may the markets go with you.